My name is Tracy Wong. I work as principal at Winston Churchill High School.
And my name is Jamie Back, and I work as a vice principal at Churchill.
And we are so excited to be here today to celebrate the groundbreaking for our new welding shop at the back of the school. And this has been years in the making. This has been a dream of ours for 6 years at least. At least 6 years, where we wanted to provide an opportunity to our students to experience hands-on learning and just like exposure to skilled trades, in particular welding, because our students have expressed a deep interest in welding, and every opportunity that they get in the community to try welding, they take the community up on it. And so we've always wanted to have a welding shop here at Churchill, and we never really knew if we could make it come to fruition. We were lucky enough to hire Colton Garner about 2 years ago, who has experience as a welding shop teacher, as a welding teacher, and starting welding programs in the province. And then Jamie and I thought this might be an opportunity for us to make our dreams come true. And Colton then had some time last year where he looked into what it would take to get a welding shop up and running. And he found out it would be about $400,000. So we had a 5-year plan where we thought we would spend 5 years raising money and getting sponsors and tucking money away. And so to have this happen in 1 year is due to Southland Trailers. So we are so grateful to Southland Trailers and their industry partners for making this dream come true.
We are lucky enough to have a garage that's kind of on our campus that's been used for lots of things in the past, storing vehicles obviously, and storage space that is a perfect space that can be converted to a welding shop. So it's just adjacent to our construction shop, and so we're really looking forward to having like a trades kind of wing in our school.
So Colton approached many businesses to see if they would be interested in supporting our welding shop, and he approached Southland Trailers, and they were on board. We're grateful because Southland Trailers is owned by Churchill grads, and so they are really invested in the project. So yeah, I just want to highlight like the power of community and the number of community members involved in this project, and the number of Churchill grads around the table when we gather to talk about the project is pretty overwhelming and pretty powerful.
We're hoping to have, a full 3 module classes, so 3 classes per semester. The word's spreading, kids are super excited, and we've had a number of students access welding opportunities in the community, have experiences through community organizations and events like EPIC and things like that. We have some students involved in welding with the RAP program, and so I think, students at Churchill are excited, and we're looking forward to having a full welding shop semester 1 next year.
So I'm Colton Garner. I'm a teacher at Winston Churchill and the future teacher of the new welding program here. I'm super excited about this welding program. We are going to take a bunch of students and get them ready to be employed in the trade, especially with Southland's help. This partnership is immensely impactful to the kids here. Our kids are ready, they're wanting to do something different, and I'm excited to be the teacher to get them there. The space that we're getting through Southland is going to be like state-of-the-art, super effective. We're going to be building projects. We're going to be doing lots of theory teaching. We're going to be doing a ton of proper academic teaching within booth style welding. So kids are going to get access to every facet that they need to kind of enter the trade. Yeah, ultimately our first kind of kick at the can when I was doing the homework for this was like 5-year project. We'll save up. We'll try and meet as many people as we can. Once I hit Southland's support, they were able to move that timeline up to like a year. And so again, our kids, we were able to build momentum throughout this year, gain excitement, and we're going to be able to go right into it. Yeah, so I'm going to be able to teach everybody. You can come in with 0 experience, you can come in with a lot of experience, and so it doesn't really matter how you enter, you're going to get a lot out of it. Students are going to be able to learn at their own pace. Students can do some accelerated programming. The students are going to be able to get mentorship from Southland as well, and so it's many avenues of support. This is going to be cool. Keep your ears open for future endeavors. We're going to be able to support our community. We're going to be able to support our school division with many different ways through this program.
My name is Ashton Irvin, so I'm maintenance manager with Southland Trailers and the project manager for the Winston Churchill High School welding shop project. How this all kind of came about is the school district has a wonderful teacher named Colton Garner. He was looking at utilizing a underutilized shed or a garage, I should say, and turning that into a welding facility to help with skilled trades for our youth. So he went out and tried to look for some funding through the school, and the funding was large, and the timeline for the school to do it was long. So he came out to industry. He went to a couple people until he found our plant manager, TJ Dow, who, again, TJ and Southland, they've been a huge support in the community for the school districts, the school all over Lethbridge. So once he heard about what was going on, it was a no-brainer. We were on board. So they brought the project to me. I absolutely agreed 100%. And 6 months later, here we are. Churchill has always had a big home with Southland, being that all the owners have graduated from here, and our alumni, myself included. So when the opportunity to give back to Churchill, who laid the foundation for our careers and where we're at today, it was an easy yes. And this project is just so much more than everything. It's community getting together, it's industry helping education, as they should be with our skilled labor crisis, and it's the opportunity to educate not only the youth, but the teachers, the parents, on why it's important to go into a trade and the career choices that you can make and benefit your career path in your life with making those choices. So there's just so much tied into it, and it's just an amazing thing. And I really hope that other schools, other districts, whether it's in Lethbridge, Southern Alberta, the province, the country, follow suit. I really want this to be the pilot flame that lights the fire under industry's butt and makes this happen. It's our responsibility as industry to help with what's going on for the labor crisis in skilled trades.